Still with the same insurance company for years? You might be leaving money on the table. Switching could save you hundreds, and it's easier than you think. People usually switch because their rates go up, coverage no longer fits their needs, or they just want better service. Whatever your reason, a quick comparison can uncover better deals. The best time to switch is right before your renewal because that's when you can walk away with zero penalties. But even midterm, it might still be worth it if the savings are significant. Step 1. Get quotes from multiple insurers. Step 2. Compare apples to apples, same coverage, same deductibles. Step 3. Secure your new policy before canceling the old one. You never want a coverage gap. Once your new policy is active, inform your previous insurer in writing. You'll get a refund for any unused premium and a clean break. Bundle your home and auto, maintain a clean driving record, and ask about telematics discounts. A few smart tweaks can multiply your savings. Switching doesn't have to be stressful. At Begin Insurance, we do the comparisons for you with 20+ insurers, so you get the best coverage, at the best price, without the hassle. Reach out to us today at 905-482-6666 or visit our website www.begininsurance.ca to get a quick quote. So what are you waiting for? Let Begin Insurance compare the market for you. Begin Insurance. Begin your tomorrow, today.